Hello to everyone. Welcome to the presentation.
Yeah, good question actually, because of course it gives us more time to support the applicants and so on.
The national level is preparation for the MOD, which is the end user of the technology.
For identifying the background IPs and foreground IPs, the consortium partners have to agree with some kind of contract.
But the question is, should the guys who work on the warfare have any benefit from the investments to the hull?
And the demand of documentation and paperwork is the same as I have the investment project for 5 million, 10 million euro.
Why we are coming back to who? Who are you working with? Do your due diligence on your partners, but not only that, consider your contingencies.
We have a lot of interest from especially new SMEs in Belgium who want to get into the defense market. So I think the month extra gives them more time and more chances to join consortia. So I think that's a good idea.
Not only to applicants, it would make sense to divide it to more like month work than half-year work.
NSF proposals in United States, it is rather simple. The paperwork is rather simple.
Do you face that kind of questions within your clients? This is my first questions, because now we have some points with the step mechanism and venture funds.
Yes, one last thing, if there are any other questions that you'd like to ask me independently or afterwards, if something comes up, my details are in the presentation. I will also stick around a little bit if you want to ask directly.